Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and thank you guys so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be cleaning up my living room. It was a little messy. I just needed to tidy it up. And then I had ordered a rug for my living room finally. And I wanted to show you guys how I set it up, and along with a couple of other different decor pieces for the living room. And yeah, so I am just going to be cleaning up the living room and cleaning the baseboards, mopping, sweeping, and all of that good stuff. So if you guys want to see how everything turns out, definitely keep on watching. I hope you enjoy and that this gives you inspiration to clean along with me. And with all of that being said, let's get started. So I wanted to start off by sweeping the sofas underneath the cushions. My boys were napping, so I didn't want to wake them up with my vacuum since it is pretty loud. As you can see, there's a ton of crumbs under there. My boys constantly like to eat their snacks over here. Let me know if any of you guys have done that before or if I'm the only one.
The fire that we made just to save us. When we try to make up for never letting go, said the things we promised not to say, then we break up just to start all over, even though we know this is the hard way to better. We can't be heartache together. This is the hard way to better. We can't be heartache together. This feeling like it's starting now, starting now. I feel adventurous with you, and there is nothing that can hold us back, hold us back. We can do what we want to do, 'cause we got all the time in the world for back.
So I usually don't sweep under the sofa every day. I usually sweep under the sofa maybe once a week or maybe every other week. It just depends how I feel. If I feel like it really needs it, then I'll check, but it just varies. But anyways, I felt like I needed to do it before I placed the rug underneath the sofa. And I wanted to also clean the baseboards because I hadn't done that ever in this home. As a lot of you know, this is our first home and we just moved. Well, it's been like 6 months since we've moved in. But as you can see, it really needed to be dusted and cleaned. I do sometimes vacuum it with the little attachment piece, but it had been a while since I've done that. So yeah, I'm just using my Wood for Good method cleaner, and it definitely did the job just right. So yeah, I'm just doing that really quickly and then making sure everything is dusted and polished, and then I will be sweeping all of the rest of the floors and mopping, and then laying down my rug, which I'm so excited about. I have been wanting a rug for the longest time, but you know, just financially we didn't want to just buy everything all at once for our home, and we're just slowly starting to add things here and there, and it truly brings me so much joy picking out decor pieces for our home and making it our own.
Time in the world, for better or
mistakes now, 'cause I don't wanna stay, wanna live.
So if you are new here to my channel, I would like to introduce myself a bit to you guys. I am a wife and a stay-at-home mom of twin, almost 3-year-old boys named Aaron and Noah, and I enjoy making videos as a creative outlet and to hopefully inspire some of you along the way. On my channel, you will find a lot of cleaning motivation, lifestyle, and motherhood content. So if you are enjoying this one so far, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would truly love having you be a part of my YouTube family here. So it was finally time to lay my rug down, and I absolutely love how it turned out, you guys. And I'm very pleased with my purchase. I wasn't sure about the size at first because I had actually wanted a smaller rug, but I am so happy I went a size up. So if any of you guys are curious, I purchased this one on Amazon, and I will have the link down below in my description box for you guys. Now that I finished cleaning, I am going to be adding these throw pillows to my sofa. I had bought the pillow inserts and pillow covers all on Amazon as well, and I have had several friends here on YouTube mention buying pillow covers on Amazon instead of a full decor pillow because it's way more affordable, and I also love that I can just switch these out every season as well. So I definitely recommend it if you are looking to add throw pillows to your home as well. Check out Amazon. You guys will be surprised. Alright guys, so the last thing I will be adding are these cute decor pieces I found at TJ Maxx the other day. I wanted to fill in a space in my living room, and when I saw these, I thought it would fit perfectly there. So I'm just going to be placing these here on my wall with some command strips, and I will be all done.
I will hold you till the sun comes crashing down. I'm yours until the end of time.
Alright guys, so that is going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, I hope you enjoyed and got some cleaning motivation or inspiration to revamp your living room or an area in your home as well. And with just adding these several pieces in my living room, it feels so much more cozy and homey, and I absolutely love how those small touches made such a huge difference. If you enjoyed, make sure you leave a thumbs up down below, subscribe, and turn on your bell notification to not miss out on future videos, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Stay with me until the last man falls. I don't need them anyway. When I'm with you, I have it all.